Damn, that's a lot of drones.
While doing Nas Daily, I've been called many things, like stupid, ungrateful, dumb. Some people are just easily offended. So today I'm doing the least offensive thing of them all. Being generous. Somehow, someway, I ended up with not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 DJI Phantom drones.
Ah, Jesus Christ, oh my God.
I'll ship you this Phantom for free. See? It flies. But to get it, you have to do the following. Comment on this video and tag one more friend. But you have to describe that friend with one emoji. For example, my brother Tariq likes to work out, so add Tariq muscle. My roommate Brian works for Facebook, so add Brian. Yeah, you get the idea. In 7 days, I will randomly choose a winner and ship them this for free. Just make sure not to offend anybody, but that's impossible. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.